Hello friends, in this video we are going to add create a new column to order grids. So basically in the order grid section, if I go and logged in, so here I'm going to show sales orders. Currently what happens by default Magento, here we are getting only purchase point, purchase date and this kind of things, not getting the which product you are purchasing, only the customer name we are getting, nothing else we are getting. So in this section we are going to add a one column which product you have purchased, that we are adding a new column and we will check which item is related to that order. Okay, so we are going to modify that section in sales order grid. So let's start how we can modify it. So first of all we need to go to the sales order grid xml and put the xml over here. So go to the my structure folder, html, magento, app, code. Let's make it in app coders, profit plus. Let's create a view. Let's make admin HTML. Then we have admin HTML and UI component. UI component. What we are doing, sales order grid.xml. So I'm going to create new HTML touch grid.xml. I'm going to paste new column which I'm going to add over here. So this is the column which I'm going to add, that is a product column. So I'm going to add product section. Here you can mentioning my component module, that is app coders profit plus. Okay, so UI component listing column products. Okay, so we are using the product section. Yeah, and products would be the label would be the string. Okay, next we have the UI component. UI component we have already created. View HTML UI component, UI component. So here we are going to create let's make a new UI component, component listing column, column, and we are going to create products.php, products.php created. Let's open it. Here we are going to add this PHP code. Here we have footers, profit plus listing column, and we are identifying here with the item SKU with the minus. Okay, so let's see. Let's compile the code and check. So here I'm running the compile command. Line number 46. Line number 46. Now the last command done. Let's check grid whether the SKU is coming or not. So here I am adding the products. So see, the product is name SKU is coming, testing 1 2 3 testing. This is which product is we are getting on. So this is SKU for now. Now we can change the product name. So let's check how we can change the product name. So let's go to the code and check where is item get SKU get name. Let's see whether it converted into name or not. So the product name is coming. Which product you have ordered? Can we get the quantity ordered? How much quantity we have ordered? That individual item. Let's check. Mm, let's print dollar item die. Let's see what items contain or item get data. What exactly it is. Let's see. Is it showing something? Allowed memory size. Returning the get data or not? Let's print it equally so that we can go. So what we are getting in? So we are getting in the store ID, product type, product options. We have weight, we have price, original price, tax percent, discount. We can quantity ordered. We can take the parameter get quantity ordered. Is it giving us the correct parameter or not? Let's check. Yes, we have pasted already. It's fun. Okay, so let's make it multiplying mm, this with cross symbol with dot. Okay, so with this, let's check what's happening. So how many quantities? One quantity for test, one quantity of testing. With this, we can also get the product price. We can also manipulate anything because we have the array and we can do everything on that. Okay, so this is how we can also check that in item details. Do we have the shipping or billing address? We can also get into that, and we can use the another, like here we are sales order grid.xml, we are using products. So again we are use the new column. Just copy this column. If I want to create a new order, I'm just copying this one, and I'm using the another column. I use the same one column products. Over here we can use orders and we can get the order data, and we can show the shipping method, billing address, payment method. We can do anything on that. Okay. So I hope you will like this video. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day. Please do like, share and subscribe. Thank you so much. Have a great day.